Hi, my name is Ryan O'Donnell. I'm a product marketing manager at ATTO Technology, and today we're going to talk about how you can use ATTO XstreamCORE to take advantage of more flexible external storage options that enhance your VMware vSAN infrastructure. One size doesn't fit all, and vSAN customers are asking for options to architect storage to meet their particular needs, including expanding storage capacity outside the server by taking advantage of disaggregated solutions. This allows them to grow and deploy storage as they need it. Traditional options to build out their vSAN environment come with unfortunate limitations. Purchasing new nodes can be costly. Also, replacing drives within their existing nodes creates downtime. Finally, adding external JBODs wasn't an option. Customers couldn't fully leverage their vSAN architecture. ATTO Technology is able to help customers address these problems. We add flexibility, external storage options, and a robust portfolio of interoperability options. When you implement a vSAN solution using ATTO XstreamCORE, you gain the benefit of external storage at direct attach speeds. XstreamCORE is quick to install and configure, allowing you to use JBODs for storage expansion in your vSAN environment. With more than 40,000 data center installations globally, XstreamCORE is trusted by IT professionals. It allows you to leverage its robust features to get the most value out of your vSAN investment. XstreamCORE is virtually invisible to your storage network, allowing vSAN to seamlessly configure, manage your newly disaggregated storage, and provide other key functions. When you implement an XstreamCORE vSAN solution, you are able to build a distributed architecture. You gain the benefits of a more flexible and scalable storage infrastructure that meets the needs of your data center, and even the ability to build switchless storage configurations that save money and improve performance. Utilizing XstreamCORE to disaggregate storage in your vSAN environment doesn't require modifications to ESXi or vSAN. It's flexible, provides connectivity at low latency, gives you greater redundancy in your design, and supports full multipathing. Thanks for watching our short video. For more information about XstreamCORE and other products manufactured by ATTO Technology, please visit our website, www.atto.com. You'll find the link in the description below.